I was just a kid with a big, big dream, watching RC cars on an old TV screen. Dad said one day son will get you one. Money was tight, but the hope weighed a ton. So I built little tracks in the dirt out back, pretending every stick was a jump